I'm first generation Colombian American. So my mother came over here from Colombia and she was a single parent. I always saw my mom's work ethic and I always saw my mom having 2 or 3 jobs to really support us. She was an executive in Colombia. She came here and she worked in supermarkets and she was a janitor and she cleaned houses and she didn't complain. Whatever I'm gonna do in my life, I'm gonna do it with that kind of excellence. My name is Lora and I am the HR Generalist on site. We do a little bit of everything. We are event coordinators, we help with investigations, we help train our supervisors, our front leaders. We have a seat at the table in terms of strategic planning, succession planning, a little bit of administrative, a little bit of executive support as well. No 2 hours are similar. It's kind of wherever you're pulled in that particular moment. You have to have the agility to change agendas and shift with the current. My very first exposure to HR was, I was an office manager. I know nothing about HR, so I started looking into it. I just kind of ran with it. Then I went into the manufacturing field as an HR coordinator, had to start from scratch. So I needed to come out to the floor, hear what people were saying. What does recognition look like? What does discipline look like in this industry, in this particular business? How can we help make your life better? I didn't know that HR was where I wanted to be, but I know that I wanted to pay homage to my mother and her executive roots, being agile and shifting into these different roles. I just took it and ran with it, and I love it. She 100% shaped my way of thinking and my way of approaching new hires or new associates or anybody. This is a great time in the manufacturing industry because we're seeing such a shift and such an evolution from all walks of life, from more women in manufacturing, different regions of the world, different upbringings. And we're seeing them come into manufacturing in different roles, either supply chain, leadership, finance, HR. It's awesome that we are a part of those important conversations, those critical decision-making conversations. It is my firm belief that Saint-Gobain is a champion in fostering this diversity and this inclusion across the board. The opportunities are endless. My name is Lora and I am a manufacturer.